Good morning, guys. Or not really. I've been up since the early morning. It's now afternoon. I've been working on this stuff all day. The electrical project for the wheel to allow me to charge it up with solar panels and to discharge it into USB-C and USB-A as well as into an inverter. It's coming along. I've basically made like 95% progress, maybe more. I just have to drill a hole in a metal sheet and solder another XT60 connector, and well, then I gotta get the heat shrink from my cousin. I let my cousin borrow all my things and he needed the heat shrink, so he needs to get that at some point so I can have some of it, so I can finish up this project, because right now it's kind of holding me back. There's some connections that I can't make because I need heat shrink in order to make things safe. So yeah, I'm kind of at an impasse right now where there's not really much needed here except for heat shrink. Yeah. But right now, I was about to eat some rolled oats with milk and sugar, but instead, I'm just drinking myself some tea with milk and sugar because there wasn't enough milk. Both me and Moss had kind of gone hard on the milk, so I gotta go out buy some more. And oh yeah, I also ran into our fellow female friend, Philippa. Well, friend, like, I barely knew her 10 years ago. I don't know her much better today. It's mostly his friend, really, but I know her from back in the day, or know of her, or we've had brief interactions. Nice person. Met her in the kitchen while I was making tea. She was going over to hang out with Moss, so I'm gonna give him some privacy. I met her like a week ago or so too. When it was Moss's birthday, she came over to celebrate. I helped her transport some of her birthday food slash celebration stuff over in front of his door. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy for Moss. He seems excited anytime she comes over. But yeah, I'm gonna go buy some milk for us later. Just been working on this today, and I don't really know what else I'm gonna be doing today. My Grisla pads and pedals arrived in Husum. Maybe I should go over there and pick them up. Or maybe I should just... Maybe I pick them up tomorrow, because I gotta go to Newport tomorrow, speak to the government. Oh well. I don't want to think about it right now. I'm gonna smoke, chill, watch some YouTube slop, and yeah, talk to you a little later. Guys, I ended up falling asleep before in my room. I was awoken. I think I slept for like 2.5 hours ish, and I was awoken by Maz, who came over, invited me to come hang out, and so I did. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping before the stores close. Let's get it. Ja. Okay.
Det var meget lækkert. Hvad er det for noget?
Bare creme fraiche. Ligesom sådan noget kebab-dressing-agtigt. Det der vi bruger til...
Det er bare lige en lille cirkelrand, hvis du... Ja.
Der.